Hello everyone. My name is Christian Michabu from DRC. I'm going to present this progress update on backup plan and monitoring that I would like to propose to the BitBit ENC enterprise. This is the email showing them my plan about the backup and monitoring on Microsoft Azure. The backup plan is like this: the daily incremental backups. I have 6 virtual server and the frequency is the daily at 2 a.m. Incremental backups capture only the change made since the last backup and showing minimum storage use and quick backup time. This approach allows efficient recovery for recent data change. Weekly full backup 6 server at every Sunday at 2 a.m. Full backup creates a complete copy of all data on the server. This ensures we have comprehensive restore points each week, which is crucial to disaster recovery scenario. The monthly full backup, we will have all 6 virtual server and first day of each week at 4 a.m. And this backup provide long-term data retention and hard storage off-site to protect against low disaster. This strategy and so we have is historical shift of our data and monitoring capability. The server health monitoring. The tools that we use is Nagios. And Nagios is configured to monitor CPU usage, memory usage, and disk space and network activity for all 6 virtual servers. Alerts are set up to notify the IT team via email and SMS to ensure metric and excessive preference threshold. The backup monitoring, I will use the Pecula and is used to monitor the status. All backup job provide detailed report or success failure of each backup, and alerts are configured to notify the item to any issue immediately. And for the log management, I'm going to. So now here is how I will configure the backup on Microsoft Azure. So the backup configuration, my product Azure. In the left, select create resource monitoring management, the backup and site recovery. I will provide a name, select the resource group and choose the region, and I will click create, and then I'm going to create the backup recovery. So how I configure for virtual machine, I will navigate to the recovery system vaults I create, and in the vault I select backup from the left, and here's my work running. I will select Azure, and so that you want to select, I will select virtual machine. I click start recovery to find VM. I will select the VM and click enable backup. In the recovery select filter, I will go to backup policy and create new policy. I modify this existing one. I will set the backup frequency to daily and choose the time. I will set the retention range for daily backup. For weekly full backup, it's the same policy. I will set the weekly backup schedule. I will choose the day of the time for the full backup. I will set the retention range for weekly backup. And for the monthly, I will add a monthly backup schedule. I will choose the day of month and the day of backup. I will set the retention for range monthly backup, and I will save the policy and apply for select VM. So say monitoring configuration in Microsoft Azure, I will navigate to monitor. I use metric to track performance indicator. To CPU usage, I will create the highlight critical metric. For example, the CPU usage, send notification message, and I'm going to configure the backup monitoring. I will go to backup center and I use the backup job, set the alert using Microsoft Azure Alert. In the Azure, I will navigate monitoring log, use the analytic to collect all analysis from virtual machines, and create a customer query to monitor specific event and set alerts on Discord. These are steps that I will take to configure my plan of backup and monitoring that I proposed in my mail. So thank you so much, and I'm so happy to present this plan.